To grow, you must suffer. ज्यादातर लोग comfort में रहकर success ढूंढ रहे हैं, but obviously success is not a comfortable procedure. If you keep doing what you're doing, you're going to keep getting the results that you're already getting. अगर आपको grow करना है, if you want different results, you have to reset, refocus and reassess your goals. Your comfort zone is a danger zone. आपने कभी notice करा है जब भी आप कुछ नहीं करते हो तभी depression आता है, तभी sadness आती है? That's because खाली दिमाग शैतान का घर होता है. Have you ever thought about why people in the stone age were not depressed? That's because उनको हर दिन अपने सर्वाइवल के लिए काम करना पड़ता था, मेहनत करनी पड़ती थी. They had to suffer every single day. आपका दिमाग सॉफ्ट होता जाता है because of the technology and because of the comfort that you're choosing every single day. The success that you're searching for lies in the hard work that you're avoiding. Doing the thing is the only thing. I heard this quote from Chris Williamson. He said, "Here's a list of things that feel like doing the thing but are not actually doing the thing. Talking about your friends about doing the thing is not doing the thing. Saying affirmations that you're going to do the thing is not doing the thing. Thinking about doing the thing is not doing the thing. Finding motivation for doing the thing is not doing the thing. Planning for doing the thing is not doing the thing. Researching for doing the thing is not doing the thing. Doing the thing is doing the thing. The longest time is the time between thought and action. If you keep thinking about something, you can keep thinking about it for the rest of your life. If you want to genuinely delay action, आप पूरी जिंदगी action delay कर सकते हो. But that's what normal people do. And if you want normal results, keep doing normal people thing. The horse and the boy story. एक बार एक बच्चा जंगल में गुम हो जाता है and he finds a horse. The boy says, I can't find a trail, like मेरे को बाहर जाने का रास्ता नहीं मिल रहा. And the horse says, can you find your next step? The boy says yes, and the horse says, then just take that next step. Oftentimes आप हमेशा perfect route ढूंढने लग जाते हो. But let me tell you right now, a bad decision that leads to an action is way better than a good decision that never leads to an action. The heaviest things in life is not iron on metals or something like that. It's unmade decisions and it's untapped potential. Whenever you're choosing not to act on your desires or act on your goals, you're choosing mediocrity consistently. आज की वीडियो में बस इतना ही. Hopefully आपको वीडियो पसंद आई. अगर आई then वीडियो को लाइक करना. अगर दिल से वीडियो अच्छी लगी then please subscribe. New videos every Monday, Wednesday, Friday and Sunday. Class dismissed.